Hi, I will explain about narrative text. Narrative text. Narrative text is a non-fiction story that can take the form of fairy tales, myths, folk tales, animal stories, and so on. Then, what is the difference with the context? Narrative text is more of a non-fiction fantasy story, while recontext is a non-fiction story that actually happened. The purpose of this text is to entertain the reader with an interesting story. Narrative text usually contains moral values that can be learned by the reader.
Narrative text is one of 13 types of English text and part of narration text, such as recount text, anecdote text, spoof text, and new items. This text serves to tell stories of the past and for entertainment. The social function of narrative text is a text that aims to entertain and involve the reader in imaginative experience, which function to deal with complicated or problematic events that cause crisis and in turn find a resolution. Narrative text characteristics are 1. Narrative text using action verb in the form of past tense. 2. Furthermore, narrative text use certain nouns as personal pronouns. 3. Then the third characteristic of narrative text, namely narrative text using an adjective that forms a pronoun pairs. The structure of narrative text is 1. Orientation. Orientation is the opening paragraph in the text that introduces the character involved, when it happened, and the location of the background of the incident, who, when, and where.
2. Complication. Complication is located after orientation and consists of a paragraph that describes the original problem. The initial problem is beginning of the storyline which continues to the conflict, climax, and anticlimax of a story. 3. Resolution. Resolution is the paragraph that becomes the end of the story, which becomes the completion and ends of a story. The problems that exist in a narrative text must be resolved and closed with a happy ending or even tragic and sad. 4. Reorientation. Reorientation is a closing sentence that tells the final state of character in the story and is a moral message in a narrative story.